Hi, Law and Business Builders. Today we're going to talk about how to design a logo for your business quickly without any mucking around. And this is just a design to get you up and going. It's not a $1,000 design. It's not anything fantastic. It's a design that'll get you up and running so you can get out there and start mowing some lawns and start making some money. So the first thing that you do is you go to GPT Chat and you type in a prompt like this. I have a lawn care business in Hamilton called Ace Mowing. I do gardens, lawns and tree work. Would you please design a logo for my business? Just one logo with nothing else in the image. The reason I say that is that GPT Chat is extremely good at adding a whole lot of random junk all over your image. So we're just asking for a logo. So let's see what it comes up with. Yep, that was terrible. We'll try again. Nearly. It's forgetting about the word ace. You're going to have to help it along a bit. It's good at what it does, but it's not that bright. There you go. Now, I like that. I also find that one of the things you need to watch with ChatGPT is the longer you go, the worse it can get sometimes. So you want to get this done fairly quickly. If it starts going completely off the rails, just delete it and start the whole process again. So we'll take this one. So we'll save it. Now, the next thing to do is to take it to Canva. Now, this is a paid version of Canva. You may have to sign up for a month to do this, but it's well worth it. It's about $20 a month, so it's not expensive. Or you may be able to do it with a free trial. But you see, this is an image that I did before. And notice that the image, I like the image, but it's got too many words in it. Then what I did is I used the print screen button, which takes a screenshot, and I actually just took a screenshot of the letters that I wanted. So what I actually did is I took it to the editing version and I rubbed out this. So I just used the magic eraser and rubbed out this. And then I ended up with nothing but a dark brown box. And you can see that now, if I go to bring them in, upload files, I know I'm a bit off with this one, I've missed the corner, but you can see here where I took in the images to fix the other one. And then what I did is I just copy and pasted them over the top here and got it all looking correct. So the next step to do is to make sure that you download it as a high resolution image. If you download it as a low resolution image, so when you go to download, share, download, make sure that it's got a reasonable size here. 500 by 500 is all right. If you download it too low, you're going to get something like this, which is pixelated. And also, if you try and take this to a sign writer to get them to print it, it's going to turn out like this too, because it won't be big enough to sign write. So the way that you get around that is you go to a place like Fiverr and you pay a guy like this. I've used this guy before for logos and he's really good. He'll change it from a picture to a vector, which is an image that sign writers like and printers like. Everybody likes vector images. They're really easy to work with. And you can blow them up to any size. You can make a billboard out of a vector image and it doesn't lose any of the resolution. I think I paid him about $50 or something last time he did a job for me. The other thing that you could do is you could just search on Fiverr and then pay someone to design a logo for you. Now, if you're going to get someone to design a logo for you, do make sure that you check the logo to make sure it's original before you pay for it. These logos will be printable and they will be vector images, but just check that they're not giving you the same old logo that everybody else is getting. So the way you do that is you go to Google and you click on this little camera thing here, search by image, and then you upload the file that he's given you. Notice here that this image isn't anywhere else, so it's original. But do notice that some of the stuff here, like this image here, some of the stuff here is not original, it's clip art. There it is again. There it is again. You'll recognize the clip art because it's everywhere. You don't want to go with clip art. Try and do something original. And now you've got your logo and now you're ready to go. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. And if you want to learn more about building your business to 10K a month without employing anybody or spending a ton on ads, you can join my free Lawn Business Builders group. There's a link in the description below. Just click on that and I'll see you there. And meanwhile, just get out there, mow lawns and have fun.